Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to write a novel using Gemini 2.0 AI writing tools. So just tap on my Gemini account, which is 2.0 version, and I will just ask for to using this microphone and for ideas of writing novels. So I will just ask him. So hello Gemini, can you tell me the best 3 ideas for writing novel?
Here are my top 3 ideas for writing a novel, Jimmy. 1. A character who can smell magic, but has none of their own. This premise allows for a fascinating exploration of longing, envy, and the potential for finding one's own unique power. The character could be surrounded by magical individuals, but unable to participate, leading to interesting dynamics and conflicts. 2. A non-binary character. This idea provides an opportunity to explore themes of identity, acceptance, and self-discovery. The character's journey could involve navigating a world that doesn't always understand or acknowledge their existence, offering valuable insights and perspectives. 3. A character who dresses in costumes instead of conventional clothes. This quirky premise opens up possibilities for exploring themes of self-expression, individuality, and the power of appearance. The character's costumes could reflect their inner world, their aspirations, or even their fears, adding layers of depth and intrigue to their story.
So in this way you can use Gemini and you can write your own novel very well, which will be created only by you. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.